If you suddenly fall into a black hole, what will happen? An hour before falling into the black hole, you may not yet feel anything unusual around you, but you will notice your body being pulled by an invisible force. 30 minutes before falling into the black hole, you will have already approached the edge of the black hole successfully. You will then see a layer of photons slowly moving along the surface of the black hole and forming a spherical shell around it. This is the photon layer of the black hole. After passing through the blinding photon layer, you will be completely surrounded by darkness. 10 minutes before falling into the black hole, you finally realize the seriousness of the situation and desperately want to escape its gravity, only to find it's too late because you have already reached the point of no return, where not even light can escape. Worlds within worlds. Upon entering this world, you will have no further connection with this universe. Whatever you experience next will be unknown to anyone outside the black hole. 5 minutes before falling into the black hole, you have successfully traversed the worlds within worlds and entered the interior of the black hole. At this point, the surrounding environment will darken completely. While within, you will experience a despair unlike anything before. 1 minute before falling into the black hole, your movement speed noticeably increases. But due to the effects of gravitational acceleration, your head and feet are stretched in opposite directions by gravity. After enduring brief and agonizing torment, your body will ultimately be completely torn apart. At the moment of falling into the black hole, you may have already lost consciousness, but at this point, all the matter composing your body will be squeezed into the center of the black hole onto the infinitely dense singularity. According to the second law of thermodynamics, your body will not disappear completely at this point, but will become part of the mass within the black hole. However, at some point in the future, the black hole will also completely evaporate from the universe and evaporate into the external world in the form of Hawking radiation before its disappearance. By that time, every atom composing your body will be uniformly dispersed throughout the universe for a long time. Black holes have been the most mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions of space with immense gravitational force, exhibiting intense gravitational effects to the extent that particles and electromagnetic radiation, even photons, cannot escape from within the black hole. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, we understand that sufficiently dense mass can warp spacetime, forming a region with an inescapable boundary, known as the event horizon. This is where galaxies end and another world begins. When a massive star dies, it leaves behind a smaller core remnant. Once the remnant's mass exceeds 3.2 times the mass of the Sun, it collapses into a black hole. Therefore, black holes are essentially concentrations of matter collapsed into dense bodies. Due to their inability to resist their own gravity, once formed, our current laws of physics will cease to apply to it. However, though black holes are invisible, their gravity can interact with surrounding matter. This provides scientists with new avenues for studying black holes. On April 10, 2019, through the collaborative efforts of the Event Horizon Telescope, humanity witnessed the first ever image of a black hole located 55 million light years away in the M87 galaxy. However, it took decades just to capture one image. Have you ever wondered that within a black hole there might be an unknown world? Perhaps only through deeper study will we unravel the secrets hidden within. I am the captain, and I have always been